Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. We do unlimited stock on our in-house made stickers, which are the non-foiled stickers for the first 48 hours. It's a really exciting week actually because I have something really cool to show you, but let's go over the foil first. So let's go over the wiggle and then we'll go over the regular releases. So this week's wiggle is super cute. I think we're calling this one Hollow Party. Not totally sure. I don't remember. Anyways, it's a really pretty pinky purple with the coolest, which I'm going to try and get like a close-up, like texture kind of the okay, so normally like hollow, like sparkly hollow is more like a circular, like kind of pixely looking, like I can't think of what the word is, like the breakdown of like the actual bits inside. So I feel like we've had like circular, pixely, we've had some prismy ones, and or just like big sequins, but this one is really cool because it's kind of like a shattered look. So I'm going to try and get that, like I said, a little bit of close up on like a video to lay over, but this is a really unique foil, super pretty. I love it. Again, it's like a pinky purple color, but it has the coolest shifts, and this is in the twinkle format, which I'm not sure if we've done a twinkle format yet in the new format. Do I even have all the sheets here? No. Where is my other sheets? I did not pay attention whenever I was pulling them apart. Okay. They're behind it. Okay. So let's go over this real quick. So again, it is just in the twinkle format, but similar sheet setup. So you have your bottom washi overlays, you have your icons and such there, you have your script sampler, you have your deco bits, which are all twinkle pieces, you have your food. This is so cool. This is like such a cool foil. The food and then the drinks, you have the icons and the date numbers, and then again you have these 6 sheets here. They have 7 header overlays, 14 half cut headers, and then 2 full boxes, and you get 6. So this is a really cool. Really excited about this one because it's just such a unique foil, and you guys will see what I mean with the close-ups of how like the foil itself, like I can't think of like what the good word is. What word can I use to describe the way the foil is? It just looks like shattered and kind of like almost feathery actually, which is cool. So that is the wiggle for this week, and it is on special price Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. Then we have some regular foil releases. So this is the heart bottom washi overlay, and we have had some wiggles with the heart, and I had totally forgot to order it in my last order. Our newest order got here, and actually all of these are from our newest order that I wanted to release right away, so I moved some of our other stuff that we had to release back a little bit. But these are hearts, so I had ordered them with our most recent order and they came in. So this is the same as the heart wiggle. So that comes in all 4 foils if you want to pick that up. This is just a single edition, and this is our sparkly hollow, and these are the solid headers. I'm going to be adding a couple things in sparkly hollow in the future, but this is just one that I wanted to add right away. So this is the, again, solid headers. This is on the white matte paper, and we do have silver, gold, rose gold, and hollow in the shop currently, but I wanted to add sparkly hollow. I also did add hollow in I think it was the glitter full boxes. I posted it on Instagram, but I added that last week as well. And then I do have 2 mini bucket lists. We've done these for New Year's Eve, Hanukkah, Valentine's Day, and these also just came in. They were a little bit late, but this is our Easter one. So it says take photo with Easter bunny, Easter dinner, egg hunt, hide eggs, and color eggs. And we do have them available in all 4 foils. And then we also have a St. Patrick's Day one, which again comes in all 4 foils. And it says make a leprechaun trap, drink beer, attend a parade, wear all green, go on a clover hunt, and watch Irish dancers. So just a couple of quick little bucket list items there for you guys if you want to pick those up. Then we do have 1 monthly kit this week, and we do have the January mystery as a monthly. It was very highly requested, and it is super cute. I did something similar with last January's mystery. I did release that like a month later or so as a monthly, and I just think it's super cute. So love this. That is a monthly kit option for y'all. Great for a birthday or just kind of like planner-y kind of vibes. And then there is the option if you do want to add on the sidebar for deco or the sidebar for functional. So that is the monthly option this week. Then we do have some kits this week. So I'm going to actually show you guys, how do I do this? All right, I'm going to show you guys the one with the most explaining to do last, but let's just do these ones first. So I do have 2 mini kit exclusives. We'll get to the last one last. It's also a mini kit exclusive, but it needs more explaining. So this one is called Pizza Party, and this and the other one is older art that I had found whenever I was just looking through trying to find some art to use. And I thought it was kind of cute and different, just a theme we've obviously never done. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. So this is a pizza theme. I have had requests in the past to do pizza themes, so I thought it was super cute. And I love the colors. So you have your full boxes here. You have your half box page. You have your functional page, you have your deco, which is super cute, and your other functional items on the side, and then you have your bottom washi, which is really nice and neutral. There is also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There is also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, there is also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Comes with the Munchkin head freebie, and that again is Pizza Party. This would look really cute with a red wiggle to kind of pull in all of the red, or a pink wiggle would be really fun. But again, this is Pizza Party and it is a mini kit exclusive. I had this one done for quite a while along with the next one. Just been waiting to release it. This one is actually all of the ones. Well, this one and the next one I've been waiting to release for quite a while, just waiting for the perfect time. So this one is called Canada Day. I saw this art and I do have usually every year a couple of requests for a Canada Day like kit. So this is really great for that. So you do have the full boxes here, which are super cute and festive. You have your half boxes, you have your functional page, your deco, and then also your bottom washi. Super simple again. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then last but not least, you do have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. Also, again, Munchkin head freebie. And again, that is Canada Day. Super neutral. This one would also look really good with, both of these would actually also look really good with marble multicolor if you want to pick up any extra of that to use with it. And then last, before we get into the one that needs some explaining, it's not really that much to explain, but I do have this, which is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else, and this is called Darla. So this is our kind of like Finding Nemo inspired kit. We do also have it in a mini kit. Like I said, this has been done for a while. I was going to release it last summer, but I don't remember why I pushed it, but so stinking cute. So you have kind of like a Darla inspired girl and then kind of a Nemo inspired little boy and a bunch of different kind of just inspired elements. Super cute, really fun anytime kit that you can use for summer, and I love these colors in a spread. This is going to be beautiful with some gold foil, or you could bring in like a gold with like a mixed metal to kind of pull in the more fun colors. We have some really cool blue wiggles coming out in the next couple of weeks, so that would be another fun one to consider. But also I feel like the wiggle coming out this week would actually look pretty cool now that I'm thinking about it. Hold on. Yeah, that would look pretty cool with that. I like that. With like a sparkly gold, like champagne lights, or just regular gold, and you could do the sparkly gold so it stands out. Love that. Tons of deco over here. And then your bottom washi, you have your Munchkin head freebie. Let me show you the add-on option. So you do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which I love this orange. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And last but not least, you have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. Again, this is available in a mini kit. This is our only ultimate kit for this week, which is wild. I think this is the least amount of ultimates I've ever done. Oh, also I'm going to be listing the extras of the February mystery foil. I don't know where I put that. But if you want to see that, that is on the February mystery unboxing. But I will be listing the remainder of those. The wiggle bundle, foil bundle, I'll be listing those this week as well. Okay, so now we have teacups here, and this is an adorable like Alice in Wonderland kind of teacup, magical, inspired, Disney bound vibes kit. And the cool thing about this one, the other two mini kits were made a long time ago, the mini kit exclusives, but this one, the art just came out, so I wanted to test out the new format, and the new format for the mini kit is not very wild. The ultimate kit's like kind of wild, pretty wild, but the mini kit is virtually the same, pretty much almost exactly the same, but I just wanted to kind of do it and see how it looked. And fun fact, I actually today booked a last minute Disney World trip I don't know how it happened, but here we are. So I'm actually going to be using it, this kit, like now, I guess. So I love this collection. This girl here is actually exclusive to SPC, which is super awesome. And I'm just super in love with these colors and the faux like glitter effect throughout. This is the functional page, you have your half boxes page, and then this is the only page that has really changed for the mini kit. This will also be how it is laid out in the ultimate kit. So I just took these two like rows and moved them over and then moved the weekend banner here. It ends up giving about 1/5 of an inch extra for deco, and then I removed the bow just so I can add another piece of deco over here. But I just think it kind of flows a little bit better because these are kind of like in a row, and then this is kind of cut out and looks like kind of in the deco area. So that is the only change in the mini kit, which is cool. And then you do have the bottom washi page and then the Munchkin head freebie as per usual. So that again is teacups, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the add-on options. But I'm actually going to be using this kit. I'm going to be going to Disney kind of like over a weekend and then Monday and a Tuesday. It's like pretty much the last days I can travel as per my doctor, so that's kind of cool. So I have this video up, and it is using Galaxy Magic, which is by the same artist, and this is another one of the themes that she is following for the month. This was, I think, January's theme, and I had saved this and I hadn't like done anything, so I'm actually going to use this the second week I'm in Disney. Like these 2 days I'll be in Disney, and I just took off the date covers, and I'm just gonna go grab another sheet of those, and then I just need to actually I'll probably just grab a whole other kit because I don't have like any of the leftovers anymore for this. So yeah, but I'm gonna just use this base. So, and then this day, and then I'll obviously use the page on the back of this week's spread, which is XOXO. I am going to use this kit here. I haven't decided what I want to do for foil because I feel like I could go pretty fun with this. But I'm going to use this here. I think that'll be like a nice flow for this Disney trip, and this kind of like still kind of reads a little lovey to me with the colors, just in case you were wondering. And then I do have options if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the label sampler. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, and last but not least, there is an option if you want to add on the girls, which are super cute. So that is teacups. So we do have Darla again this week, which features exclusive art. We do have 2 mini kit exclusives in the old format because they've been done for a while. This one is in Canada Day, Pizza Party, the January Mystery Monthly. You have teacups, which took me forever to explain, but I hope you guys get it. If you have any questions, just let me know down below, because sometimes I just ramble and it just gets more confusing. You have this week's wiggle. You have the heart bottom washi overlay and all 4 foils. You have this, which I'm adding. It's just going to be added to the solid headers, but I'll add it to new releases just so you guys can find it easier. And then there is the Easter and the St. Patrick's Day bucket list. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, but I hope you guys again like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.